Hello everyone, TechAid TV here. In for today's video is we have this HP SmartTank 615 printer having a broken line printout problem. And this time, I run a document test print to show you the actual printout issue of this unit. So here, let me show you the actual printout issue of this unit. So as we've seen here, on our printed sample document, it has a multiple broken white lines on some parts of the text and image of the document. So in this video, I will be showing you the basic and simple tutorial video on how to troubleshoot and fix this type of printout issue of this HP SmartTank 615 printer. So step 1 is we were going to go first on the printer screen control panel, and here we were going to run first the print quality check to identify the issue of where it's coming from, whether it's coming from the printhead or on the other encoder sensor component's failure. Then here, just scroll down, then find and press print quality report. Then here we were going to check if there's any broken line on its print head nozzle printout. If you found any single broken line on its print quality check printout, then the issue is probably coming from the printhead. But in this case, as we can see that there's no visible broken line on this quality check printout. But on our printed documents, the broken line is clearly visible. Probably this issue is coming from the encoder disk or encoder disk sensor. So now we were going to check the encoder disk and encoder disk sensor. Then to start to disassemble the printer, please turn off the printer first. Then unload the paper on its paper tray. Then when the printer screen is completely turned off, we may now unplug the USB cable and power cord. Then open the front access door. Then remove the 2 screws of the scanner assembly. And also remove another 2 screws of the scanner assembly on backside of the printer. Then now we will be able to remove or detach the scanner assembly from the printer. Then rotate this white gear in order to rotate also the roller and able to move the printhead carriage. Then unscrew the encoder disk sensor. Then remove the encoder disk sensor. Then use a flashlight and tweezer to remove the encoder disk from the printer main roller. So now as we can see here, the encoder disk has a multiple dirt spot, and this is the main cause of the broken line printout issue of this unit. Then now using a piece of tissue and a tap water, we will try to remove the dirt spot on the encoder disk. But unfortunately, the encoder disk is totally damaged due to dirt and moisture exposure. So now this is the new encoder disk. Just let me compare the difference between an old one which totally damaged. As we can see here, that some of the printed part of the encoder disk were erased or damaged. So in this case, encoder disk replacement is required. So just check product link on the description of these video to purchase these HP encoder disk. So if you encounter the same encoder issue like this, all we need to do is to replace new encoder disk in order to solve this printout issue. So now just follow me to attach or install these new encoder disk. Securely attach the encoder disk to the main roller gear in order to work your printer properly. You can rotate the white gear on this side and press the encoder disk to the main roller gear in order to hold the adhesive on the encoder disc. Then reinstall the encoder disc sensor. Then reattach or install the scanner assembly. Then secure the scanner screw. Then now close to front access door. Then secure also the another 2 screws on the back side of the printer scanner. Then now, we were going to plug in the power cord and USB cable to test print the printer. Then turn on the printer. Now let's proceed to our PC, and we were going to print our sample document. Then this is now the printout quality after replacing the encoder disc. As we notice here, the multiple broken white lines on our printed sample document are successfully removed as we compared to the printout before we replace the encoder disc. And that's the simple step-by-step procedure on how to troubleshoot and fix the broken line printout problem for this HP SmartTank 615 printer. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.